Hi everybody, Bunny Berry here, 100-day ruffle challenge. Today is Monday, and it is May the 4th. And little birdies from all over the country have been saying that they have gotten their copy of Raw Food Magazine. So if you got your copy today, congratulations. There's some yummy stuff to look at in there. So if you're thinking about subscribing, on May 15th we will open up the online version because we're going to be announcing the winner of whoever is going to be our May Blendtec blender winner. So very exciting. Keep subscribing. I wanted to talk today a little bit about the 20-day mark. Now, some of you may be thinking, okay, I've been doing really good and I've been eating, exactly what I was supposed to be eating for the last 20 days, and I don't see like the weight just falling off of me, and I don't see myself getting totally better, and when is it gonna happen? When is the magic gonna happen? And let me tell you, the magic is going to happen at a different time for every single person who does this. Because what you're actually doing by eating raw and living foods is you are giving your digestive system a little break. The lighter you eat, the more water content food you eat, the more smoothies, the more juice, stuff that's really, really easy to assimilate for the body. What that's doing is it's giving your digestive system a break so that your body can go and heal different things that need to be healed on the inside. So, for example, I had a really bad skin rash. Everybody loves a rash story. I had a really, really bad skin rash on my legs chronically for years, 12 to 15 years. And people at the wedding this weekend that I saw, they were like, well, they remembered the rash, and then I showed them like, no rash! I have no rash. I have no rash. My rash is gone. Now, it took my body 10 months, 9-10 months for it to be completely gone. Because your skin is an enormous organ in your body. And I have got every kind of skin issue. I've got skin tags. I don't know if you can see those. I've got skin tags. I have keratosis, where my body produces too much keratin and it plugs up my pores. If there's a skin condition out there that could be had, I probably have it. Now, around day 12, somewhere between day 12 and day 20, I noticed something happening to my skin. So, have you noticed this yet? Where you put your hands on your skin and you're like washing your face or rubbing your eyes and you're like, what is this? This is new skin. It's new skin. And your body does regenerate, almost every part of your body every 30 days. So let's talk a little bit about what has been going on in your body for the last 20 days. Okay? Hang on. So, according to Dr. Google, during the last 20 days, you have experienced 20,000 heartbeats. Your liver, now get this, your liver has had traveled through it for detoxification purposes 57,600 quarts of blood for detoxing. Okay? So, if you're not feeling 100% better in 20 days, that's pretty normal. Let's see. We grow a new stomach lining every 4 days. The surface of the cell that comes into contact with digesting food. Can you read this?
R.
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 Skin
Skin.
is completely new every 5 weeks. Your skin is completely new every 5 weeks. So, you're coming up to that time period. You're at that 5-week time period. So, start feeling and seeing if your skin is feeling any softer. Our livers regenerate completely every 6 weeks. So, let's keep all of those toxins out of our bodies so that our livers can detoxify efficiently and regenerate. We rebuild our entire skeletal structure every 3 months, and according to Dr. Google, the entire body completely recreates itself down to the last atom every 4 or 5 years. So if you treat your body really, really well, for 4 or 5 years, you can become exactly like this 5-year-old. You can become younger. You can become 5 again. So don't be impatient if the weight isn't falling off, if all your backaches and your heartburn and everything aren't going away right away. It just takes time. It just takes time and a little patience. And then eventually those toxins will go away. Go away, toxins. Go away, toxins. Go away, toxins. Go away. See, I still got a few hanging around. I mean, it's taken me, I have been doing this for just about a year. And it's taken me this long to really feel like I was ready. Becca, you're kind of in the way. To feel like I was ready to start exercising. So, Beckett, what did we do yesterday?
Exercise.
And how did we exercise?
Swim.
And how long did we swim?
30 hours.
Mm-hmm. We swam for about 3 hours. And what did you do when you got home from swimming?
I played.
No, you didn't. What did you do? You were so tired from all the swimming. What did you do?
Take a nap.
You had to go home and take a nap. So, be good to yourselves. Happy day 21. Give it time. Give it time. Your whole body is regenerating second by second. And Beckett is going to tell you now to eat your veggies.
Eat your veggies.
Say it over here so they can see you. Here.
Eat your veggies.